In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change invoice template in Xero step by step. If you want to update the look of your invoices, switch branding themes, or customize how your invoices appear to clients, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero and how to apply a different invoice template in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on your business name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can control most of the configuration options for your Xero account, including invoice templates and branding themes. After you're inside the settings area, look for Invoice Settings. Click on Invoice Settings to open the section where you can manage your invoice templates, also known in Xero as branding themes. This is where Xero allows you to customize how your invoices look when they are sent to customers. Inside Invoice Settings, you'll see a list of your existing branding themes. These are the templates that control the layout, logo, colors, payment details, and overall design of your invoices. To change or edit a template, go to the Options button next to the theme you want to modify. Click Options and then select Edit. This will open the Invoice Theme Editor. In the editor, you can update various elements of your invoice template. For example, you can upload or change your company logo, adjust the default payment terms, edit your standard footer text, and modify the layout settings. Take your time reviewing each section to make sure everything reflects your current branding and business information. Now, if your goal is simply to switch to a different existing template when creating an invoice, here's what you need to do. Go to the Business menu and open an existing invoice or create a new one. On the invoice entry screen, look for the Branding drop-down menu. This is usually located on the right-hand side of the invoice screen. Click on the Branding dropdown and you'll see a list of available invoice templates or branding themes. Select the template you want to use. As soon as you choose a different branding theme, Xero will apply that template to the invoice. You can then click Preview to see exactly how the invoice will look to your customer. If everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your invoice will now use the selected template. If you want one template to be used by default for all new invoices, go back to Invoice Settings, find the branding theme you prefer, click Options and choose Set as Default. This ensures that every new invoice you create will automatically use that template unless you manually change it. Changing your invoice template in Xero is a great way to keep your branding consistent and professional. Whether you're rebranding your business, updating your logo, or simply improving the layout of your invoices, Xero makes it easy to manage everything from one central location. And that's how to change invoice template in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero tips and step-by-step accounting software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.